You're about to see some of the most mind-blowing grain silo homes ever built. If you're into off-grid living, repurposed architecture, or just want something different, you're gonna love this. A really common question and a valid one is about the noise and acoustics inside a circular tall space. You might immediately think, oh, it's going to be an echo chamber, right? And yeah, if not addressed, it could be. But smart designers actually turn this into an opportunity. They use a combination of strategic material choices and clever furniture placement. Let's dig a bit into the cost breakdown because everyone wants to know if this is actually affordable. Now, buying the silo itself can sometimes be surprisingly cheap, especially if it's abandoned or part of a larger property sale. The real cost comes in the conversion. While you might save a bit on the initial shell, don't underestimate the investment in making it truly livable and up to modern standards. It's a project for sure. So let's talk about the sheer appeal of these things. What really draws people in? I think it's that incredible blend of industrial chic and sustainable living. Many of these silos are just sitting there, abandoned or underutilized, representing a huge amount of embodied energy and materials.